Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to claim your market rewards or liquidity on Hilomarket. First, head over to your dashboard. Go to the Markets section. Here you'll see all the details about your created markets and any you've provided liquidity for. For markets you've created and that are now settled, click the Claim button to collect your rewards. If you've provided liquidity for a market, you can also view the details and claim your liquidity rewards. If your market was disapproved by the community, you can claim back and refund your liquidity by clicking the Claim button. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.